Nimba, what want to say, Yago? We want to say thank you. We want to appreciate the loving people of Nimba County. And I want to show to you quickly, before this big endorsement, I would like to call Bucky Raw and Crystal the Change. Bucky Raw and Crystal the Change. Whoa! We want to call Bucky Raw and Crystal the Change. You know, no matter what we talk to you, we say what we mean, and we mean what we say. The Excellency Dr. George Weah, he's not only keeping the peace of this country, he is reconciling the people of this country. And his reconciliation is not restricted to one group of people. Look at me. I'm from Lofa County, but I support the Excellency Dr. George Weah because he cares for us. Bucky and Crystal are two talented, great young men. Honor Ellen Johnson Salib and Joseph Walker, they turned them into enemy. Honor Georgia, he turned them into friends. Leadership is not what you expected to get something from people. Leadership is impact, and practical impact you can see. It's not where our children can get damaged under your leadership. We want to say to you, that is not politics, but that is reality. You know the story. You know the story between Bucky Raw and Crystal. They were using it to devour our young people. They were using it to create enemy among our people. But under His Excellency, Dr. George Weah, he has been shown today. He has shown today. You see these two young men? So these are two great sons of our country. These are two great sons of our country. Under Joseph Walker, they were divided. They were divided and were perceived to be enemy. Under Excellency Dr. George Weah, these are two brothers, two great sons who have become friends. Put your hands together for reconciliation. Yo, George, yo. Thank you for coming. Thank you. Okay. That's the power of unity. That's the power of unity. Like you saw the two great entertainers who were divided by the rescue ticket. Today they are united by the peace ambassador. The only development time. With that much we do, we want to return. We want to go to. We want to call. We are calling them individually because they have their own statement. Okay, all right. So we put our hands together for Honorable Melvin Gompa. Put your hands together for Honorable Jimmy Bouquet. Put your hands together for Honorable Paul White. Put your hands together for Honorable Daniel Fatiga. Put your hands together for the man who is the leader of that group, the former superintendent and the chief strategist beyond Senator Kuhn 2020, Honorable Thank you very much to all of you who are taking your time to come and listen to us, and to our people who are watching us and listening to us through the media. I'm accompanied here by my colleagues, my distinguished colleagues, and each of them will come and use 2 minutes to give the endorsement statement one by one, and I will climax it. I want to begin by giving the mic to the leader of national movement for Weah in Nimba for 2017 elections, Mr. Daniel Batika, to make his endorsement statement. Amanda! 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 Oh! Okay, thank you. I think you heard my name, Daniel Batika, and we come from the background of the national movement to support Ambassador Joseph Weah, that honors the Unity Party. We break away from the Unity Party for one common reason: for the reunion of that particular political party, bringing on board those individuals who already destroyed our country and also want to destroy the entire republic. So we break away, we say the idea is not good for us. And I can tell you that the 2017 election number was the outstanding campaigners for Unity Party, and we left, they have no campaigners. So I will tell you this, young people, please listen to me. The CDC-led government has done no wrong to you. Listen to me clearly. We have taken 5 years plus few months to destroy them through propaganda. That propaganda we have used on them throughout. So let me tell you, let us stand together and repair what they are bringing to destroy us with. The propaganda, let's make sure we repair it very soon. Give George Weah, who is very strong man, he moving, he knows development, he knows everything, and what he has done for this country. I want you to give me the sense here so that he can do more for you and myself. The scholarship, the carry, the road he's paving, and everything he's doing. Let us give him a chance to do more for us. I will stop here. If you are in Senegal yesterday, you saw all there yesterday, and we just want to preview on this. Please join us to repair the propaganda. 22 yellow machine will not be party all down. They can repair, they can maintain, then they say they want to rescue Liberia. 22 yellow machine. Nimba Kande is the only country that received $1.5 million USD from the Liberian government. Prince Johnson has stolen that money from the Nimba people and will sue him for that. I can tell you that I'm the lead campaigner to sue Prince Johnson for what? Break a social contract, and I will do that. Trust me. Anybody who wants good future, join me and we're going to do it together. Thank you very much, and thank you all. Thank you, Mr. Daniel Batika. At this juncture, I want to invite to the podium Mr. Boss Weah, former chairman of the CPP in Nimba County, former chairman of Liberty Party, to come and make his endorsement statement. Amanda! 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 Well, today is a special day, but I'm now going to come here as the chairman of CPP Nimba. I have also come along with 3 other counties to endorse President Weah re-election. Sino County, Margidi County, and Grand Cruz. So we have a short statement here for you to present to the president, and that statement will be read by the council chair of Sino County, Mr. Weah. Amanda. And this is the position statement, the endorsement statement by the 4 counties. That's Grand Cruz, Margidi, Nimba County, and Sino County. This statement was prepared on the 5th
of September 2023. Mr. President, we would like to inform you that we, as heads of the county chairs from the collaborating political party CPP that are backed by Team Coming 2023, Nimba movement to support Weah Nimba, some leaders of the patriotic Nimbayans supported Weah candidates from District 8, 6, and 2 who have structures across their various locales have decided to endorse your re-election bid. Considering the ongoing election process slated for October 10, 2023, we have observed that many citizens from our counties have already decided to give their support to the re-election bid, as well as many other political parties. In addition to these many support, we see your handbags across the country in terms of construction of roads and market buildings, payments of Weah fees for students across the country to our children, and the employment of many young Nigerians among many other developments. After giving considerable thought, we have decided to endorse your re-election bid for 2023 general and presidential elections, which is widely treated and strongly backed by various opinion polls conducted by devised media and consultative firms of repute. Besides the overwhelming backing just listed above, we have believed that the united opposition we sought can and is no longer possible considering the internal fight portrayed amongst the opposition and the egocentric nature of their opposition. We also believe that your major contender, the UP, singular interest is to make another president after winning the elections, evidenced by the lack audio currently traded on various radio stations and social media platforms. We believe that that is not the right way to power, to attain state power. Those harboring such sinister motive cannot be trusted with power, considering their past history in the country. In view of the above, we have enormous faith in our reckoning and are absolutely confident about your successful re-election, and we trust that our prediction shall be found to liking of the same general procedure, general program. Signed, Paul Weah Senior of Nimba County. Signed, Daniel Z. Boga of McGill County. Signed, Fred Tabo of Brentwood County. And signed by Augustine Weah of St. Louis County. Thank you.
CDC, President Weah, My people, this is why we are here. I am so happy today. When you work hard towards something and it begins to happen, you celebrate, right? You celebrate, right? Yeah. This is a day for celebration. At this time, I'm going to call one of the strongest and best sons of Nimba County, who is running for representative seat in district number 8, Mr. Gompa, to come forward and make his endorsement statement.
Yo, number 80, yo. Yo, Nimba Kante, yo. At this time, I'm pleasing today and I think the honor to announce to you the process that was greeted with best reaction. But tonight, at this time, and at this junction, and please, today don't follow the process, follow the outcome. I come from your drill number 8. The junction at the high school.
Where you are doing?
Electricity conduction. No means a housing unit. Today we have housing unit in the number 8. We got electricity connectivity with international partner support. We got a high school with the World Bank partnership support with the Liberian government. All on the Gompa, money where we are. I will be ungrateful that we acknowledge the development. But I say this, that for the purpose of this endorsement today, our politics in Nimba intolerance, the complex, the constant teaching, systematic. By that, I have come today to endorse the presidency, number 18, George Weah. Thank you. When you read 18, you are not Joe. Go 18, do your best 18. Thank you. Don't forget our on number 2, the 8.
Yo, your district number 8, yo. Yo, your district number 8 for President Weah, yo. Yo, yes, you also know that's right. Yo, your district number 8 for President Weah, yo. Yo, your district number 8 for President Weah, yo. No, at this time, I am so happy. And by the grace of God, I have the opportunity to invite to this microphone one of our intellectuals of this country. They call him the Dr. Sawyer of Nimba County. His name is Jimmy Bouquet of District number 2. A very strong candidate of District number 2 to come here and speak to his people, the people of Nimba, in endorsing President George Weah. We are number 18. Thank you very much for endorsement my channel. The Secretary General, OG, the promising young leader of our town. Thank you and welcome to our home, Nimba. Thank you very much. You share my name as Jimmy Bouquet. I'm from right here, Sunny District 2. I'm here as a living testimony to tell you, as one of those who have sat over the development agenda, serving as a director for regional and sectoral planning to develop the appropriate agenda to run 107 government entities in the agenda. And I can't be ungrateful to interpret what I wrote. I sat as a senior planner to run the development agenda of this country. I will not be ungrateful to interpret what myself wrote. On that background, we know these endorsements have mixed reactions. That's the beauty of politics. I'm endorsing mine today, endorse your tomorrow, you have endorsed your, let's go to the pool. I'm confident that the outcome of this election will be number 18. I'm sure and confident that President Weah re-election to be. I have come to support you. I have come to help. I have come to work along with you. Let's win together. I'm a living testament of the roads, of the schools, of the equipment, of the facilities that are ongoing. Let me complete the process. I say to him, my support to you. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Secretary General, take my greetings to the President, and we will work together. That's what they will. Thank you very much. Thank you, Mr. Bouquet. Thank you, Mr. Bouquet. Nimba Kante Gompa. I said, Nimba Kante Gompa. Thank you. At this time, the post the president can support, right? We got more people coming. I am happy to invite to this podium one of the outstanding sons of District number 6, who is also a candidate, Mr. Otis Harry, to come here and endorse President George Weah. One, two. Today is another day that some of us as Liberians and Nimbalians are making some decisions. Therefore, we have come to join you guys in order for us to work together as one family. This is all about Nimba County. Let me repeat, this is all about Nimba County. So where I see Nimbalians gathering, I always want to be in your midst. I am Otis Harris, Honorable Otis Harris from District Number 6, to be specific, Board of Weah, Tabatown District. Thank you all.
Thank you. Now we also have held a competition go on in our group. We have two representative candidates from District Number 8 in our group who are competing for the city, but they are not enemies. So we have Honorable Carlos Weah to come here also from District Number 8 from the Benasa to endorse President Joyce Manager.
Yo, Nimba County, yo. Zekwe, mana Zekwe, mana Zekwe. Amanda. We are so grateful to be here this afternoon as we are participating in an endorsement statement. Whereas, after careful conversation with our people in District Number 8, taking into consideration all of the developmental activities of Bakube, especially in Nimba County, whereas, after we have carefully gone through all of our consultation with our people, we have resolved that on this day, our Kawolo Swa from District Number 8 representative candidate do solemnly pledge that unfinished support for the re-election of President Sekoze Bakube Mani Kokleko Weah for the second term on one ballot.
Thank you. Mr. Secretary General, we are happy to inform you that our organization, our movement, our network cuts across Nimba County. The roots run wide and deep. So we also have two young men to come forward. One is from District Number 5 in Nimba, Mr. Nangwe Sonya to come forward. He will be followed by Mr. Atokasi Kwe from Yawi Meso.
Hello.
Zayo.
Muya, CDC Muya, Josh Manawiya Muya. I will say good afternoon, Honorable Secretary General CDC. I'm Soya Darito number for District Number 5 to be precise. You know, at the time of joining the ANC, our houses got two doors. When Mr. Kumi tried to close the back door, the front door that everyone used to enter was open. That's how we decided to use the front door to enter to repair the damages of the building. And we've come to join you, Honorable Secretary General, that the good work of the President, His Excellency Dr. Josh Weah in Nimba County to continue after the election and to make sure that our youth are a power opportunity for the school-going children and job facility for us. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We have one young man who is very, very active, very, very effective, and is doing a fantastic job for President Weah. From Yawi Mesron. I want to give you 1 minute to come forward and make his endorsement statement.
Zekwe, Nimba County, Zekwe. Thank you all. Let me take this message firstly to the people of Nimba. Not just people of Nimba, but the loving people of Nimba who against the trailing of Nimba.
Those of you who have not seen me before, this is Atokasi Koi, a former student leader of today Nimba University. Against that background, we have been given the responsibility to diagnose the cases for which we stand for, that we know that Nimba can be developed and no longer be trained. Mr. Koji, let me say this, I will narrow it down to my district administratively. In electoral district number 9, to be precise, Yahweh Meson's statutory district is the only district that I'm very proud and bold to say. Those of you who are wasting the vessel of the rescue so-called mission, make only a mini visitation within that district because we have made a ground so bad for the president before making it public today. The tangible benefits of this government, Yahweh Meson have had no road in terms of connectivity to cross the St. John River. But with the help of our father, Johnson and Guaglo, we can cross through the ferry, car can enter and trade in Yahweh Meson, district number 9, and get back Morocco within the 2 minutes of an eye. So again, this background, if we can come here to say to the people of Nimba and Ladura Lash, and the veterans, not just veterans, but the one-run veteran of CDC, in presence of President George Weah is a one-run veteran, and we stand for that. Thank you all.
Thank you. Thank you.
Mayor Koji, Minister Alvin Wissa, and distinguished entourage of the powerful Secretary General of the Congress for Democratic Change and the Coalition for Democratic Change, Superintendent Nelson Kokwai, and my distinguished colleagues from the Nimba County Local Government Administration, our Regional Mayor, Chairman, CDC, Honorable Mike Lewan, Campaign Manager, my fellow partisans, my fellow citizens. I will not make a formal statement. I want to speak to you, the Nimba people. Our situation in Nimba is like a town that's located beyond the river. And now that town must cross the river to go into all their farming across the river. And then you wake up, everyone in the village is about to go on the farm. You get to the river and find 2 persons breaking the 100 kilo, you got to cross the river. What will you do? Will you go with them to break the kilo so everybody can be hungry, or you will stop them from breaking the kilo? The right thing to do is to stop those 2 people who are breaking the 100 kilo we have from breaking the kilo so the village cannot go hungry. Yes. We have 2 of our citizens in this county that we are giving all the privileges to. We voted for Senator Kuhn as representative. We voted for Senator Kuhn as representative. And we voted for him as senator. We voted for Senator Johnson as senator. And we voted for him as senator. The records are there. 2014, I made an opening remarks for his campaign on January 26th. In recent memory, all of you know the role I played in Senator Kuhn's elections. So I'm coming to President Weah, giving our privileged position and access I have to these citizens. All of you know the records are there that I was the Deputy National Campaign Manager for Unity Party in 2017. I am also giving out a privileged position. I'm giving out these privileged positions for Nimba County. The records are there. I've always stood up for the right thing. We are not ungrateful people. We are not the government that tricksters. President Weah has given these 2 individuals everything a normal human being can do for a good friend. And they are proving that Nimba is ungrateful. We must stop them from breaking the skin so that the people of the world know that we are not ungrateful people. And so these 2 individuals, Senator Prince Johnson and Senator Jeremiah Kuhn, present eminent danger to Nimba taking its rightful place in Liberia's border politics and governance. And that is why I'm endorsing President Weah's re-election and will do that election in 1 round.
Now, let me just correct something here. I want to let you know there are only three sides in this election. The other side say, me, Von Gami Swagli, one of the leaders of this country, should wait until a second round before we go to support the president. And so I said no. I said no. If I know something has to be done today, and it is the right thing to be done, I'd rather do it today than postpone it to tomorrow. So I am here. I step down as civil chairman because I think the right thing to do is to support the president now, so that we later in one can delay and postpone it. That will cost the Nigerian people a lot of resources. Now, so much has been done by this government. I can speak to that because I manage the country social development fund. The records are there. I left from the country administration with 3 records. Every administrative district benefited from the country social development fund. These people who are saying today you should vote for somebody because the person will soon die so they can get the power.
Yeah, dans la mission. Dans la mission. Dans la mission. La tour de mission.
They are responsible for the misuse of the Nimba Country Social Development Fund. We must stop them from breaking the one key that we have, which is this election to continue the development of this country. So, Mr. Secretary, I am humbled that you are sticking out your neck, your good reputation in the CDC for us. We are coming here with 10,000 foot soldiers to join the CDC. These 10,000 foot soldiers come from all 700 towns of Nimba country. They come from all 150 communities in the 8 cities in Nimba country. And so this is fine. As a leader, we are not coming alone. But we are coming to show that Nimba country gives President Weah the first round victory he deserves. Yesterday we had a challenge. I'm going to say, extend my sincere apology to all of our citizens who assembled in Senegal yesterday to watch the endorsement. Due to national engagement, the National Secretary could not come. But his presence here vindicates us that the CDC takes seriously our endorsement of President Weah. His presence has confirmed to the naysayers that nobody wants to work with us. So Nimba County, stop those who are breaking our kingdom. God bless you, President Weah, one victory. God bless Nimba County. I thank you all. I also want to add that our brother friend, the professor of agriculture at the Nimba University, Professor Ali Shaw, is also part of this team. We call ourselves Citizens Alliance for the re-election of President George Weah. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much to former Superintendent Swagli. To close on the endorsement, we have one of the vibrant and well-recognized personality. This old man is a long-serving teacher and one of the officials of the Nimba County Teacher Association. This old man is on Edward Lonkia. He has come to officially endorse President Weah second time. Amanda! Well, let me say thank you ever so much, Honorable Tamafoji, Secretary General of the CDC. I will be ungrateful if I cannot endorse the candidacy of President George Weah, because can you count the numerous development you are doing for our students? Now, he has paid student wire fees over the years. He has paid students who are attending university and colleges over the years. The reason why some of our related parties will keep back to CDC is one, our leaders, Senator Johnson and Senator Poole, misled us. They misled
us. The problem that President Miriam, after when we are going no way, they escape and went to the other party. I said, no, I can't follow you. I will go to George Manuel and will give you one time bakery. So in that night, I want to approach you. We have 13 education districts. We are ready to move. We are ready to move to make sure that all the teachers who are content-minded to follow our footprint so that we can support this president for one round, only one round. May you empower us so that we can be able to move the 13 education districts. Thank you very much.
Amanda, I will too. Yo, man, yo, first and front, yo. Say yo, Nimba, say yo. Amanda, thank you. Put your hands together for the Secretary General as we welcome you on stage. Joseph Tamakoji.
Amanda. Okay, because of time, we now call our Senator of Nimba County. Our Senator of Nimba County. Your Senator. The people of Nimba want to have their own Senator.
SG, just as you said, because of time, we will not be here for long. But one thing I want you to let the president know that we are putting on a very strong thing in Nimba. What is happening in Nimba is no longer a one-man or two-man show. We are putting ourselves together as a team. Honorable Secretary General, I want for you to know that the whole thing about Nimba County having a godfather has suffered us so much. Yes. We are come to our people letting them to know that we don't want to be a godfather of Nimba County, but a godson. You know what godfather been doing to us? When it's time for Nimba development fund to be given to Nimba, when he is present, he will say, the godfather, give it to me, I will carry it to Nimba. It can't reach us. When it's time for Nimba discussion to be done on behalf of the medical team, when the godfather is there, SG, the godfather will say whatsoever for the medical team of Nimba County, give it to me. And I will carry it to them. And it can't reach us. We don't want to be godfather of Nimba County, but we want to be godson of Nimba County. We want tomorrow when the president wants to see the lawyers of Nimba to discuss the legal issue of Nimba, so we can be able to bring the lawyers of Nimba. Not to say since I'm the godfather, I'm here, just give me everything and I will be able to deliver it. We want to be the godson of Nimba County to serve our people. The Nimbadians are not ungrateful. We don't want for the road project to stop. We don't want for the educational process to stop. We want for Nimba to continue to benefit from this government. We are aware that the country that benefited most from this government is Nimba, and we want to continue on that line. Thank you very much. Tell the president that Nimba is grateful and we give him his fair share of the food of Nimba. Thank you.
Amanda, away to my way, Amanda. Well, thank you. The incoming senator spoke very well. Simple message. And we are very glad that the people of Nimba are very strong and smart people. Far too long, Nimba happens to be the creator, between the creature and the creator. But the creature was in the habit of intimidating the creator. How is that possible? To look at the people who created you and you call yourself Godfather for them. It is an intimidation. Power is from the people. Power is inherent in the people. We must always respect our people. We should not intimidate our people. We should not feel better than our people. How can you say you can't campaign because you are Godfather and the people should be afraid of you? Let the people of Nimba don't vote on fear. Let the people of Nimba make decision for the greater interest of the sons and daughters of Nimba County. Thank God Almighty that you Nimbadians have got to the point to protect Nimba for everybody. Too long that this country, have been perceived as troublemakers. Too long that this country been perceived as in a sense of division. You cannot use Nimba as the point of division of our country. Nimba people are not bad people. We want to say to you, before we call our people and give our message to you, we would like for the elders of Nimba, Chief Zodia, so Zodia will come and help me so we can be able to go and bury our people along with the county chairman. We ask for the burial and the teacher to come. Give it to the chairman. Don't please your way. Superintendent, please come. So copy it. So you're getting a shirt. Woman Zogia will put a barrel on here.
Hey, baby. We are here in Nimba County, where prominent sons of the county are currently endorsing a re-election of President George.
So you go put a barrel in here. All right, thank you. So we got pour. So the just time I see them, pour. Let pour first. Let pour go. After pour the done. Amanda. Okay, Daniel.
Where coming from? Where coming from? Coming from? Fatigue. Put a barrel on him, man. Chairman, where coming from?
Amanda. Thank you. Jimmy. Wow. Don't put it on. Amanda. Thank you. Marvin. Marvin, where is Chef Marvin? Yeah, this. Yeah, Amanda. You'll come down with that. So we call now Mami, let Mami come. Open up, let Mami come. Let Mami come, Mami. Mami, can you go? Mami, can Amanda. Thank you. Amanda! Amanda! Away two! The 330. Amanda, through there. Amanda. Locos. Amanda. Amanda. So we're talking about the DJ Association in support of Senator Coon. The DJ Association in support of Senator Coon. They are about to make 1 million. The entertainer, come quick. Entertainer, talk quick. Who talking?
Listen now. I have been in BS too, right? I will represent United President. We are bigger than DJ Maximum, you feel me? Let's see who's doing that there, right? Alema, we are business. Alema, we are business. Listen now, let's go again. Alema, we are business. Alema, we are business. Let's go, one time. Alema, let's go. Alema. That's why CDC, right? That's way. Alema, CDC, business. Alema.
Support to President George Weah for his second term. My name is Miles Gay. I'm the chairman of the Nimba County Entertainers. So today they will pledge our support to President George Weah's second term for one-run victory. So the SG, I want to tell them that to the president that
okay, listen. Ponumbia, go vote.